sa tanan. Support this video guys. Kay manguha na itag kamatis eh. You look at my face. Kuha tag kamatis. Isagol na to sa ato ang kuan. Atong isagol to sa atong ginamos. So, na ako dari kamatis oh. You see? Mga kamatis ha. So, gagmay kaya akong kamatis. Mangita tadi sa unahan. So, ito araw. Okay. So, this not red put in the sana ginamos you know ginamos guys. So look at this. So here small one, the small one. So okay, we go home now. Good. You see the chicken over there? Oh, there's a chicken. There's a chicken. Then here a chicken. The fire is over there. I'm cooking dinner. So see this one, like too much the fire. See, fire. You see the fire? I cooking rice. Cooking rice. Too much the fire. No? I cooking rice for dinner. So there is a flashlight because I pick some tomatoes in my garden. Pot on the ginamos. So bye bye. Thank you for watching. Oh, what is this? Takuling.